This will be a very quick video. So this is the fifth part of the six-part series we're doing this week, covering each of the protocols within Flare Finance. The last 4 days were flareloans, flarewrap, flarefarm, and FlareX. So if you're curious about learning about those, go back and check out my videos. And tomorrow's video will be on flaremine. Today's is FlareMutual. Before we get into it, I just wanted to let you guys know that we had recently started a Discord. I guess I'm not even going to show it, but just really a place, if you're interested in kind of joining the community, and if you have any questions or want more timely updates or even more timely answers to your questions, specifics about the network or protocols, you can definitely join that. Link will be in the description, and it's really just a place where we can kind of have a bit more intimate relationship and just kind of develop this community. So with that, we'll get into FlareMutual. Like I said, super quick video because there's not a lot of information on FlareMutual right now, and they said that they will be updating when v2 of this white paper comes out. This that I'm reading through right now is called the Whitepaper of Flare Finance, and this is only version 1. So when version 2 comes out, it says at the bottom that more information will be released on FlareMutual. And also flareloans, because flareloans I had to do my own digging. On FlareMutual I was trying to do some digging, but there's like nothing out there. It's crazy. But I'm just going to give you guys kind of the bare bones of it. So basically FlareMutual, as you can read, is providing coverage and also purchasing coverage. So you can delegate to provide coverage to others as well as purchase coverage, and as well as claims and reviewers. So there has to be some sort of claiming process when you have to make a claim on your insurance, and there has to be reviewers of those claims to make sure that everything is legit and you're not just making a claim for the hell of it. And something to be aware of is that SFIN, which is one of the main governance tokens, will be able to be accrued on FlareMutual, and that'll be 1,000 that is designated to that to be earned. And as it says here, this is what I was mentioning, information on FlareMutual and flareloans will be made available in the v2 release of this white paper. So that's not out yet, sadly, because I'm very interested in FlareMutual. But I'm just kind of going to show you guys really all the information they do share on here. And obviously, as you can tell from the name, FlareMutual is just a place where you can get insurance. It's in the name. So yeah, and so this is just going through. So when you earn YFlare, that's what they're talking about here. YFlare can be used, once you earn it. It is obviously a governance token, but then it can be used. So it says YFlare, once claimed, has several use cases within the ecosystem, including but not limited to all of these, and then providing it as coverage on FlareMutual. So YFIN can be used, YFlare, sorry about that. YFlare can be used on FlareMutual, so can YFIN, and so can every other F asset. So as you see here, YFIN, it can be used for providing it as coverage on FlareMutual, and then it gets into F assets and the use cases of them. And as it says here, provide and purchase coverage on FlareMutual. So those will be, obviously you'll be able to use those on FlareMutual. 1,000 YFIN will be able to be accrued, and here is just the amount that you can earn, the distributions. It's not really something that you really have to be educated on right now because we're kind of a ways away, and the fact that they haven't even released any information as far as the white paper in the white paper tells me that it's going to be a while before FlareMutual is completely up and running. Just kind of from my own, anybody could think that, and just come to that conclusion, because if you don't have information on it, if you're not releasing that to the public, then you must not be 100% certain in your ways, or even 100% certain in the development of it. So I wouldn't be too concerned with FlareMutual at the moment and what it has to offer. Obviously very interesting, at least for me. FlareMutual is really interesting, but again, let's focus on the things that are made available to us at the get. So, and then this is just some of the things that can be changed. So as governance token holders like YFIN, YFlare, you have the ability to change things within each protocol within Flare Finance, and these are just some of the things that you can do. So you can change the coverage fee that is involved, and then as well as add and remove a token, project, agent, oracle, exchange, etc., as well as request a feature that you would like to see on FlareMutual. So that is it. I'm not going to waste your guys' time. I just wanted to make you guys aware. I really wanted to cover this one, but that is not the case. So tomorrow we'll be covering FlareMine, and that will be interesting as well. I'm thinking about getting into mining, so it'll be interesting to learn about and to teach you guys about. So stay tuned. If you want to join the community, the link is in the description to that Discord. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you have information on FlareMutual that you can point me in the direction to, I would love that. So please do. We'll all learn together. So have an awesome day, guys. Later.